Alright, so here's the tea. Desert. We're not in the desert. But here's the tea. I need to put oil in my car, so I will be doing that. Also, I think we drove the whole entire way here with my hood being open. Look at that. Where's check the oil? Girly Pops, do you know how to wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Okay, the car doesn't even need the oil, so slay. We're doing a little outfit check. Same sunglasses as yesterday. Hoodie from my little sisters. Sweatpants from my dead grandpa. And Uggs from Ugg.
Wow. Hello, good morning, Ohio. All right, outfit here. Sweatshirt from my friend's dresser. Sweatpants from my fiance's dresser. And yeah, that's all I got for you.
Okay, bye.